Reasons of apparently internet connection. I can't do live. Not sure exactly what's going on there, but here's a picture outside of our window. See how well you can see? Isn't that great? And here's our front yard.
That's not even the most
Yeah,
amazing gust.
it's been blowing.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, here you go. Oof.
There it is. The window's buckling.
Yeah, you can't see it in the video, but it
But look.
certainly is. This is pretty amazing.
But look.
Check out that tree right there. Going crazy. Okay, look at.
But look, who cares? Because spring's coming in the house.
Oh! We're doing gardening. Who cares about no snow and blizzard?
I don't care. Spring's gonna happen.
Yeah, so, yeah. Ooh, warm fire. I need to throw some more wood in there, don't I? Yeah, see, the screens are catching all the snow for us, so it's amazing. Can't see out these windows. So that's what's happening out here in Elbert. I'm worried about that big tree right there. You can see where the where I had to cut off. Well, the other one broke off, and then I had to cut it because it had split. So, yeah, that tree. Maybe it'll stay up. Who knows? We'll see. Stay warm and safe, everybody.